y'all, so I'm deciding that I'm gonna prank my dad today. I really don't have too much of a plan, but I'm trying to keep a straight face because last time I was doing a whole lot of laughing and stuff and I almost gave myself away. So this is only my second time doing a prank, but I'm about to try to get him with the fart spray, and then I bought some chocolate icing, so I'm gonna act like, oh, my stomach hurt, and I'm gonna try to put the chocolate icing on his hand when I ask him for some toilet tissue. So I'm about to set everything up. Y'all stay tuned. I don't know why I'm whispering because I'm at my house and I ain't even at his house yet, but I just feel like I'm sneaky already, so stay tuned. Cheese. Hey, don't walk. What the hell is that?
Oh, girl, I can't hold you. Say cheese.
What did mom call you?
Cheese.
Oh, I'm sorry, girl. My stomach.
She's only pretending because she feels guilty about Dad and her. By the way, it's not her fault. Why are you taking Jack out?
Why are you being annoying? We have free reign. You might as well have some fun. If you don't want to, never mind.
Did you break the wind in here?
Yo, what's up, Chris?
Why it smell like poop?
For the next season, but I just thought you'd appreciate she was waiting with you when you get
Your
back.
mommy farted.
Your team misses you, dog. So do what you got to do. Very
Bad mommy.
Alright? Bill Belichick. Get your spying ass off our field. I'm chill, man. I'm recording a video with Chris while I wait for my hot place. Alright? Well, in that case.
Okay, y'all. Let me get my life together. Let me get it together. Okay. I don't know how I'm going to get on with this boo-boo thing. I'm about to just sit in the bathroom for a minute. I'm ready to spray the spray once. Wait, I'm gonna wait to go to the bathroom. I'm gonna wait. I went in the bathroom once. I'm gonna go again. Give me a second. I'm gonna come out and spray again. Something wrong with me. I keep laughing. Okay, I'm about to be at the bathroom, spray it again, and then come back.
I should take my Chris off practice.
Ooh!
I'm gonna think about that new people.
This is Daily Room, baby.
Y'all fellas got something to say?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm coming. I said okay.
Maybe she didn't know you guys were doing it. Come on. It's all good. You know, whatever.
Hashtag stay champ life. Is it wrong that I kind of wish they lost the game? Yes, Liv, you're an eagle. They're just having fun. Yeah.
I need him to get mad. I need him to get upset. I need him to be pissed. Cuss me out, Daddy. Cuss me out. Daddy, I need some toilet tissue.
Thank you. So listen, I just dropped by to thank you for the much needed people behind the gay lives. The miracles of that shower.
I need some toilet tissue.
How you out of toilet tissue?
How's coming?
Killing me.
Get this to your mommy. Goddamn. Ooh.
Come here.
Come here.
Daddy, I need some toilet tissue. I need some toilet tissue.
How you out of toilet tissue?
My stomach killing me.
Get this to your mommy. Goddamn. Ooh.
Come here. Get out, Zaylee. Get Zaylee.
Now that was nasty. I cannot believe you did that shit. Now that was nasty. I cannot believe you did that shit. I cannot believe you did that.
I'm sorry.
What the hell did you do that for? Why would you do that nasty shit to me? That was just some fucked up shit. I'm sorry. I can't believe you did that. I mean, I cannot believe you did that. I'm gonna put this shit in your face.
No!
No! You need some damn
I do.
You used the whole goddamn roll.
Yes.
Get away from me, nasty. I cannot believe you did that.
I'm sorry. It was
What the hell would you do that for? Why would you do that nasty shit? That was just some fucked up shit. I'm sorry. I can't believe you did that. I mean, I cannot believe you did that. I mean, I'm gonna put this shit in your face.
No!
Get away from me.
No!
I cannot believe you did that shit. Talking about you need some damn.
I do.
You used the whole goddamn roll.
Yes.
Get away from me, you nasty. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm gonna put this on you.
No, okay. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm sorry.
no.
I'm sorry.
Let me alone. Let me alone. Cannot believe you did that nasty shit to me. What the hell's wrong with you?
Get out.
I gotta get this off me. Shit. What's wrong with you? That ain't funny. Get out the toilet.
My
Your mother is one trifling. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe you did that shit. I'm too old for shit like that. And I can't stand that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I cannot believe you did that.
Let me wash my hands.
Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm gonna put this on you.
No, okay. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm sorry.
no,
I'm sorry.
let me alone. Let me alone. I cannot believe you did that nasty shit to me. What the hell's wrong with you?
Get out.
I gotta get this off me. Shit. What's wrong with you? That ain't funny. Get out the toilet. Your mother is one trifling. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe you did that shit. I'm too old for shit like this. I can't stand it.
No, I'm sorry.
I cannot believe you did that,
Let me
man.
wash my hands.
Otherwise,
You actually saved that to do that nasty shit. You actually saved that to do that nasty shit to me. All the diseases in this world, you got that shit, you want to put some shit on me. You don't believe you thought that shit was funny.
It was funny.
That shit is not funny.
That was very funny, actually.
Fucking disgusting.
What? You gonna curse me out like that?
Yes, I am. Hell yeah.
Why?
Put some shit on me. Curse you out of it. I mean, God damn. A million damn things you could have done besides that shit.
You mad now?
Hell yeah, I'm mad now.
You mad at me?
Yes, absolutely. No, baby, no.
I just sprayed it some more. I tell you, my stomach hurt.
how often do you visit Chelsea? Spencer James works here.
I see if you smell it.
If anybody has a problem with the way I
My stomach hurt bad.
instead of whining this kid right here, we all have a problem with the way your spoiled bitch ass is acting.
You mad?
Yeah.
Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Daddy.
The girl must not think so. Hey,
Daddy.
sweetheart.
You ignore me?
Girl, go home.
Go home? No,
Get away from me. Get the hell away from me. I mean that.
Oh, God. It must be that fish, Daddy, for real. It got to be the fish. That fish you could got me messed up.
I should have left that police officer take you to jail.
I got them silent but deadly farts.
Come on, Zaylee. Zaylee, no. Put them in the box. I told you I was done playing. Put them in the box.
You don't smell it.
Hey, what are you doing?
That stuff got me gassy.
I shouldn't have to find out because my son's to be friend live streamed his arrest.
I called you because he didn't need you. Because I got it here.
Are you sure about that?
Daddy, it was just a prank. It was just a prank.
Get away from me.
It was a prank.
I don't want to be pranked.
It was a prank.
I don't want to be pranked. Get away from me. Get the hell away from me. I'm not kidding, Erin. Get away from me.
It wasn't a prank. I mean, it was just a prank. Look.
Oh, that ain't funny. That is not funny.
Yeah, I hope I get a good edit out of this. He and Red Kai thought he was going to. He was just mad and ready to kick me out the house. What? Whew. Okay, y'all. Anyways, be sure to like this channel. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell. Ding, ding, ding. So you get notified each and every time I post a new video. Leave me a comment below. I need to get him. I need to prank him again, y'all. This one ain't do how I wanted to do. Let me know some more stuff y'all need me that I can get this old man with. Let me know in the comments below.
Go get the box
Okay.
for the dominoes.
So how you feel
Down below.
about being pranked? You said you was ready to swing on me.
I was ready to pop you in your ass. Hey, look up under the ottoman right there, baby.
That wasn't funny at all.
Hey, maybe if I knew it was chocolate, it was funny. Hey, get that,
You thought I really did that, Daddy?
Hell yeah, I thought you really did that shit. I wanted to whoop your ass.
You ain't know how to react.
Oh, get the other dominoes on the
Okay, tell the people to subscribe.
Subscribe to this fool's channel. Or
Like
somebody have to whoop her butt.
like this video.
Like this video.
And leave a comment below.
Leave a comment below.
Don't forget to click the bell.
Don't forget to click the bell.
Bye.
And bye.
Bye.